not confessing. What do we do now?
The perps usually spill their guts to someone who's being nice to them. At HQ, we call it a good cop, bad cop routine.
What do I do?
You be the good cop. That means, be his best friend. I'll be the bad cop, the guy that doesn't like. It won't take too long before he seems like it tells you everything you want to know. All right, Mr. Squirrel, tell us what we want.
Don't you talk to him like that. He's just a little squirrel.
There. What are you doing?
I'm being the good cop. You told me to be his friend, and I'm sticking up for my friend.
You're being a little too good.
Look, I got an idea. Let's try some other ones. Let's be good cop, sad cop.
Tell me, how do I mend a broken heart?
Too much? I'd say so.
Good cop, zombie cop. Must eat brains.
Good cop, Martian bad cop.
Good cop, tire salesman cop.
How about something in the White Wall? Good cop, late night talk show if the villain gets cop. That's the 10 plates, folks. Good cop, the ticklish cop. Talk, tell me what I want to know.
Good cop, snake charmer cop.
Good cop, a barrel roll cop.
Good cop, surfer cop.
Good cop, wet seltzer cop.
Good cop, Rocky Pinata cop.
What? No, thank you, good cop.
Knock, knock, cop. Squeaks. What are you doing here? What do you mean you borrowed my tablet? What do you mean you left a note?